students, how are you? Yes, very good, fine. Yes, beta, word of the plants. Beta, when you go in the park in the evening, you see all around you greenery, green plants, and you feel very much happy. And why you feel happy? Because they are very beautiful and they add beauty to our surroundings. All human beings and animals depend on plants directly or indirectly on the plants. Beta, if you see plants, then you will feel that plants are of very different from each other. Some plants are very much small, some plants are very much big. In this way, you feel that plants are of different size, shape, etc. So, plants grow on land as well as on the water. They grow in cold places also, they grow in hot places also. Now, what you have to do, my dear students, you have to take a very small plant into your hand and you have to show all the parts of the plant to your mother. And first, you have to show root. You know where root is present? Yes, very well. Root is present under the ground. What is the color of root? Root is non-green means not green in color. What is the function of root? Who will tell? Yes, when you give water to the soil, from the soil, roots absorb water and mineral and then give it to the other parts of the plant. So, what is the function of root? Root absorbs water and mineral from the soil and give it to the transport is to the other parts of the plant. And what other function roots do? Roots fix the plant into the soil. And one more function root do. Some roots store food and we eat that roots. You can see the diagram of carrot. You are able to see carrot, radish, turnip, beetroot. These are the roots and we eat these roots. So, how many functions we have done? Yes, 3 functions. First function, roots fix the plant into the soil. Second function, roots absorb water and mineral from the soil and transport it to the other parts of the body, plant body. And third function, some roots store food and are eaten by us. Can you give some examples? Yes, radish, carrot, turnip, beetroot. Yes. Now, beta, now show stem, other part, stem to your mother. Ask your mother, ma'am, this is stem. And what are the functions of stem? Now tell. Stem bears. On the stem you can see leaves are there. On the stem you can see flowers are there, fruits are there, branches are there. It means stem bears branches, leaves, flowers. First function. Then second function. From the roots where water will transport. From the roots stem will take water and mineral and supply it to the leaves. And third function, some stems store extra food and are eaten by us. And can you give me some examples? Yes, potato, ginger, sugarcane. These are the stems which we eat. Now next part. It's turn of the next part. Show to your mother leaves part. Leaves are What is the color of leaf? Yes, leaves are green in color. Why they are green in color? Due to the presence of chlorophyll. And leaves prepare food for the plants. As your mother cook food for you in the kitchen, in the same way leaves prepare food for the plant. How leaves prepare food for the plants? Beta, you give water to the plants and leaf take heat from the sunlight. As your mother cook food on the gas and plants take heat from the sunlight and chlorophyll trap this sunlight. So leaves prepare food for the plants by using carbon dioxide, water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. And on the lower surface of the leaves there are tiny pores, small holes are present which are called stomata, and from these stomata exchange of gases take place. Leaves breathe through these tiny pores called stomata. And can you tell me the leaves which we eat? Yes, number 1, mint, spinach, coriander, lettuce. Very good. Now show the next part to your mother. Yes, flowers. Very beautiful part of the plant. They are responsible for reproduction. And from flower, what is formed? Fruit is formed. In a fruit, there are many seeds. Fruit has seeds. You can see seeds inside the fruit which grow into the new plant. So, beta, today what we have read? We have read page number 81, 82, 83 and parts of the plant, functions of the root, stem, leaves, flower. And now you have to do this exercise into your book and on the revision notebook. We will do question answer in the fair notebook in a good hand. Thank you. Have a nice day.